everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve your login problem on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click here in this page. Then this list of app info you will click on the first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Snapchat. You can click update here in this blue sign. If it's not working with you, then you can uninstall your app and you can wait a moment to install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.